Welcome back to One Beer Job. I'm Justin. Today we're going to be doing two one beer jobs in one video. So it's about 85 degrees here on this Saturday. Beautiful outside. And today I'm working on our Jeeps. So the first thing is that almost forgot. All right, so I didn't make a tray. I ended up buying this tray that fits right here inside the Jeep that you can put your phone in. So this is going to be our first installation. Done. One beer job. Finished. The second one that we're going to do is we're going to install these oh shit handles. I don't know what they're officially named, grab handles, whatever. I call them oh shit handles. So first we're going to put our beer in a secure location so it does not spill. And these oh shit handles, you just thread them through and tighten them just like you would any type of belt. So that's what we're going to do right here. Now, the next thing that you definitely are going to want to do is after you have them to the tightness that you like, you can certainly cut these things back and then burn them with, a lighter, and that way they stay where they're at. Otherwise, you could do another Velcro strap around them just to make sure. But now, now that they're nice and tight, they have a nice little handle. And I liked, the red because, it sort of matches this on my Jeep. So if I'm going to drive the Silver Bullet and drink the Silver Bullet, I might as well make it look like the Silver Bullet. Catch me? All right, so I'm Justin with One Beer Jobs. I know this is a nice quick one, but I tell you what, it could really help you out. So drink them if you got them. If you like the videos, go ahead and hit that like button, smash that like button. Okay, subscribe to the channel. I'm about to do shocks on a 91 YJ, and so that's going to be the next video coming out. So again, Justin for One Beer Job. Cheers.